Mga kaibigan, it's all about the strong message or the strong words in which among all the books existing of this universe is only the Bible are the most significant and valuable things box in this universe that you believe in that. Either you believe Jesus Christ in your life, either you believe a God in your life, or all of the things, mga kaibigan. But there is one God, and there is one Jesus Christ, who rolled and to save, to stand as a Savior, as commanded by the Almighty Father who art in heaven. Na kung saan, mga kaibigan, they are talking the strong messages that reflect to the human society and the human life. Mga kaibigan, it's all about how the strong our faith and beliefs that there is God in this world or in this universe. That we are going to reflect in the small plants and the trees who are grown or grow in the pure soil or in the rock types of formations to be grown on the rock is called the human bonsai. We have a human bonsai which is called the bonsai trees was established and cultivated by a human control intervention. Why we called a human control intervention? Because the growing of the tree from the directed to the soil, and they are going to transfer into the plant or the pot in order to intervene the growing and to maintain these beautifications of the nature. So that's why, mga kaibigan, how do we believe? Which among all the trees who are the very strong, or the trees were grown in the pure soil or in the yung sa mga bato-bato, all of that there is strong, but the strong among all who grown are those trees grown by in the rock, yung mga magkuno at mga iba pang mga ironwood, mga kaibigan, bunol na mga kahoy, ganun. They will grown in the rock formations or the rock collapsing growing, mga kaibigan. They are all strong. Kasi nabubuhay sila sa maliliit lamang na lupa. So that's why the structures and the style of bonsai cultivations, the concept of the Chinese was from that, mga kaibigan. How they will grow ornamental plants and dwarf trees to be developed in the pot. So that is redefined by the Japanese. They called bonsai. Bonsai words is Japan. So in normal bonsai, in the normal natures of bonsai was in the rock formations, beside of the roads, beside of the river and the sea. Mga kaibigan, they are all strong. Kahit pa pinag-apak-apakan ng mga sasakyan, mga tao yan, nabubuhay yan. Yung mga all the types of flowers, even the miracle, mga kaibigan, no? Even the miracle fruits, they are producing us as a miracle to the human society. So that's why, mga kaibigan, yung mga kukurap po na tao, hindi yan magtatagal dito sa mundo. Especially, mind you, ginagamit to nila yung salita ng Diyos as a point to be running for a certain positions in the higher positions in the government in order to manipulate and to deceive, ilaron ang tao. Ilaron nila. It is because when the human accepting and there is a soul, if there is a messenger who will be pretend us in the front to be God in us, and then That is called human manipulations and deceptions. Tatakbo sila sa pamagitan ng kanilang mga platform, no, mga kaibigan, na they are all lies. So, that's why there is a lot of Filipino people, not only in the Philippines, but all around the world. But the Filipino people was already disgraced, already deceived, and manipulate. There is a deception in the eyes, in the public, was the ordinary Filipino citizens. The farmers, the ordinary farmers, yung mga mahihirap, the poor, no? Yung mga walang pinag-aralan, mga kaibigan. So that's all, mga kaibigan, was deceive the principle of politics. No? Yung iba tatakbo kasi malapit sa Panginoon, hindi po yung totoo. How do you serve people that there is no man to serve in two master or the two bossing? They are only serving one boss, which is the God. Mga kaibigan, hindi po yung totoo yung mga sinasabi nila. Hindi po yung totoo. Hindi po yung totoo, mga kaibigan. That's we are experiencing right now. So that's why the strong message by God, even the Bible, they are talking about corruptions. No, mga kaibigan, that the God is looking the earth when the man was being be corrupted by the flesh, mga kaibigan. Ganun po ang kanyang sinasabi. How they come to running in the politics, to become a politicians, to become a good servant in the people. Even Jesus Christ was being be persecuted by the people of this universe. That there is in Messiah, there is the messenger from the Almighty Father, mga kaibigan, in which the only Son or the begotten Son, the one who saved the world, they are people, they are not believing on that. How come that you are be pretending that you will going to serve the people in which you spend a lot of monies, a lot of your business income in order for you to run and to win the elections, that during your campaign period, that there is a lot of money where you expending millions of money. Like for say example, you run in the mayor, for example, in the class A city or first class city, mga kaibigan, that your salary is all about 190 to 200,000 per month. So meaning in the lapse of 3 years and 36 months, you receive only for almost a maximum of 10 million. But you spend money, millions, in which for you to run and win for that elections during your campaign period, you're spending a lot of millions, in which all about 50 to 60 million for you to win on that elections. How? That is the more questions, mga kaibigan. That is the big questions.